Alright guys, so today you're going to be creating a Revolutionary War timeline based on what we've been talking about the last couple weeks. So you're going to use your social studies textbook, or you can use research from your iPad to choose 10 major events that took place during the Revolutionary War. You're going to summarize each event in 1 to 2 sentences. Remember, this is a short and sweet summary, so I really want you to hit the major points. Don't give me any pointless details. We don't need to know what they wore. We don't always need to know specifically where they were, just exactly short and sweet what happened. So you also need to put your events in chronological order. So what happened first, what happened second, and on and on. And then put your events into a timeline format, and then add photos for at least 5 of the 10 events. So here's a formatting example. See how they have the years at the top and the photos at the top, and then how they staggered their information. Here's another formatting example where you can still have it in chronological order, however you have it stagger on top and bottom of the general timeline. And here's a couple more. There's a vertical one that you could do, and then a horizontal where it's still staggered, but notice how they have the lines connecting so you know specifically how far apart each one is. You want to be sure you do that for the years. If the years are very close together, you want them to stay. Your lines will be closer together, and if they're farther apart, you'll probably want to make your lines farther apart. So your objectives for this assignment, you're going to use chronology to create a timeline. You're going to use forms of media to obtain information about the Revolutionary War, whether, like I said, that's through research on your iPad, or you can use your social studies textbook or notes that we've been using. And then you're going to use text and images to demonstrate understanding of 10 specific events from the Revolutionary War. So your final product, you're going to be using Canva to create your timeline. You should already have that app downloaded onto your iPad. You're going to publish your final timeline on Canva and then post it to our class Google Community under your Social Studies tab. I've already created an assignment for the Revolutionary timeline, so you'll just need to add it there. In order to get full points, you also need to comment on one other classmate's post. Remember to post something positive. If you're going to post constructive criticism, it needs to be done in an effective way. And then it also needs to end with a positive comment. If you guys have any questions, just meet me on Google Hangout.